Hey guys, how's it going? We're back with another Vicrez custom steering wheel video, and today we're going to show you the 4 steering wheels I got right here that are going to go out. I got them all processed already, so we just want to quickly show you the customization we got. So first steering wheel that we're going to start up for is for a Ford Mustang. This is the 2010 to 2014 version, as you see right here. So the customer went with this one is they went with the LED screen. They went with black Alcantara. As you can see, it kind of parts ways for the hand grips. They went with white stitching, and then they went with the material as forged carbon. So this one is actually a pretty nice combination. Again, I don't like black Alcantara, but you know, black and white with the forged does make a good combo. And again, this is for the Ford Mustang, the 2010-2014. Right here, we got one of our basic, well not basic, but our most commonly sold, the Dodges 2015 and 2023. So the customer with this one went with LED screen. They went with the forged carbon for the material, so you got it all as the body, and also for the center trims, which is VZ10 1277. They got in forged carbon. They went with black leather, red carbon fiber inlay, and red stitching as well. So it kind of is like the default style, but in forge. So this one I like. And again, Dodge 2015, 2023. It fits the Chargers, Challenger, Durango, Trackhawks, and the Chrysler 300C, I think it is. Third, you got default style for the Dodge Rams. Ram 1500 is for the 2013 and 2018 version. You see right here. So this one is basically default. So the customer went with LED screen, bigger carbon fiber, black leather, red, you see right there, and also with the center trim. This one they didn't go with no inlay. You know, that's always your option if you prefer. So default style for a Dodge Ram 1500, 2013, 2018. And then last is for the Corvette C8, and this is to show you guys one of the new products that we added onto it for the new material, is we had the forged carbon flakes. So again, this is for the 2020 and up C8 Corvettes. Customer with this one went with the LED screen, that's good. Then they went with the forged carbon red flake, as you can see right there when you zoom in. I know the camera guy will zoom it in, and then when you guys see it on the website too, you have all the red flaky materials inside the forge. Again, we also provided for green, white, blue, purple, orange. They went with red Alcantara for the hand grip material, red stitching as well. And then they went with black carbon fiber inlays, but you know, the production team kind of threw in some flakes in there as well. Kind of gives it like a different tone. Maybe we could do like regular carbon flake as well in the future. But this one kind of adds a little bit more style to it. So this one, I actually material flakes. It's actually nice looking. So again, the flakes material is on the website. You guys can get them if you guys as another material to add onto your custom steering wheels. This one right here is for the custom C8. So this one's pretty nice. I actually like this one. So that's it for all this video. I got them all processed already. Gonna go ahead and pack them up and then ship them out, and then go over to the rightful owners. So thank you guys so much for stopping by in the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on our YouTube channel. Follow us on all social medias on IG, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok. I forgot what else we have because we're making more accounts. And you guys stay tuned for more future products, and we can see you guys in the future. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you later.